How to use ChatGPT in classrooms. There are several ways that ChatGPT can be used in classrooms to enhance learning and engage students. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Q&A sessions. Teachers can use ChatGPT to answer students' questions on a particular subject. For example, if students have doubts about a particular concept or topic, they can ask ChatGPT and get immediate answers. 2. Writing prompts. Teachers can use ChatGPT to generate writing prompts for students. ChatGPT can provide a sentence or a paragraph that students can use as a starting point for their writing assignments. 3. Research. ChatGPT can help students conduct research on a particular topic. Students can ask ChatGPT for information on a topic, and ChatGPT can provide them with relevant articles, videos, and other resources. 4. Language practice. ChatGPT can be used to help students practice their language skills. Teachers can ask ChatGPT to provide sentences or paragraphs in the target language for students to translate or use for language practice. 5. Critical thinking. Teachers can use ChatGPT to prompt students to think critically about a particular topic or concept. For example, teachers can ask ChatGPT to provide a controversial statement, and then students can discuss and debate the statement. Overall, ChatGPT can be a useful tool in the classroom, helping to engage students and enhance learning. However, it's important to use ChatGPT as a supplement to traditional teaching methods, rather than a replacement for them. Here are some additional resources that support the use of ChatGPT in classrooms. AI in Education, 10 Uses of Artificial Intelligence in Education by John Fleischauer, E-Learning Industry. This article explores various ways that AI, including chatbots like ChatGPT, can be used in education to improve learning outcomes. 7. Innovative Ways Artificial Intelligence is Transforming Education by Bernard Marr, Forbes. This article provides several examples of how AI is being used in education, including personalized learning and chatbots. What Role Will AI Play in Education? By Ryan Craig, EdTech Magazine. This article discusses the potential benefits of using AI in education, including the ability to provide personalized learning experiences and improve student engagement. Artificial Intelligence and Education, The Power of Intelligent Tutoring Systems by Mark Nichols, EdTech Review. This article specifically discusses the potential of intelligent tutoring systems, which use AI to provide personalized learning experiences to students. These resources provide additional insights and examples of how AI, including ChatGPT, can be used effectively in classrooms.